just woke up and I have a crybaby. In this bag, I have a crybaby. In here, Pop Mart. But it's not from Pop Mart. I found it. I just buy it outside. There. I cannot see it because I'm in the second. Because I'm not downstairs. I am upstairs. So I'm on the second floor. In the second floor, this is the living room. So
Yan, pamulit mo.
nasa labahan.
Ano mo?
Magtuna sa ano, ito.
Sabi mo, bibili tayong tissue.
Ano?
Bibili kaming tissue mamaya.
May dito ko.
So guys, let's
Lawson?
unbox.
Dahil mahal sa Lawson, dyan na kayo nilabay.
Bibili ang tissue doon, magbibigay na ako.
Ilabay. Mura ka labay. Ilabay na kayo ng tissue.
Okay, this is the cry baby. Okay, I really want
Oo,
this
hindi naman
one,
kubaw.
this one, especially
Lila.
and
Pag mainit sa may Amerika, pupunta sa akin.
I don't
Kapag
like
mainit naman
this,
dito,
this,
pupunta sa
this.
Amerika. Wow, ginawa ko baw.
especially I don't like this because I don't like her eyes. But the packaging is like that. I thought we got a peel. There's no blind bag. It's not a cry baby. It's a labu. It's a labubu, not a cry baby. Actually, I like it. It's a labubu or a lafufu. Think guys, labubu or lafufu. Labubu, labu labu, labubu, 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 labu 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 labubu. Guys, look!
May anak sa bading eh.
Ay!
Si ano, mapahalan niya, si Yuki.
When
Yuki
the real
Yuki
ones
Watanabe.
have 9
Si
teeth
Yuki
and 10
Watanabe.
teeth, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh, nagdapan
5,
sila
6,
ni ano, si
7,
Bading.
8, 9,
Yung dalawa, yung dalawa.
10. So this is a real, but I don't really think of the eyes because the eyes looks
Hindi na siya pala post ngayon eh. Hindi na pala post ngayon. Hindi na po post ngayon
glossy
eh.
and
Bali.
and the labubu have eyes that is gray, not black. But it's got 10 teeth, so I think it's real. Why real labubu made it? Okay, goodbye.